What's up guys, it's your boy Chow Balls. In this video, I'll be showing you how to color grade Apple log footage from an iPhone 15. Luckily, Apple provides free LUTs for their log footage to make it easier for us. Let me show you how to get that and also install it on Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects. So first, you're going to want to go to this website here. There'll be a link in the description to make it easy for you. So you will have to sign in through the Apple developer website. Click View Details, then click on the Apple Log LUT zip, and then go ahead and extract that. You'll want to add that to your Creatives folder that I'll show here, both on Mac and Windows. If you have Premiere or After Effects open, you'll want to close those and reopen them. Here I have a few clips of just recording when it was snowing the other day. Usually I'll use an adjustment layer, that way I don't have to do each individual clip. I can just apply the LUT and the color grade to all the clips rather than just individual ones. So you'll just go under the Creative tab on the Lumetri color, and then you'll be able to apply your LUT here. You'll have both the Log 2 Rec 709 or Log 2 Lin. I usually use the Rec 709, that's the most natural look, but you can play around with both of them. Once you have that applied, go back to the Basic tab. You can play around with all the different sliders to get the look that you like. Having Rec 709 makes it look fairly good straight out of the box. You can make smaller tweaks and adjustments to make it how you like it. I would recommend playing around with the sliders to find what looks best for you. And that's the easiest free way to color grade Apple log footage. If you do want those free LUTs, make sure you click the link in the description. I hope this helped you. If it did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.